Okay guys, I just want to take you through this quick install of the Hyve Technologies extended mag base on the M&P Shield. This is how it will come, and you'll get a little tool with it. So you'll start off by taking that little screw out of the mag base. I mean, you can go through this any other way you want, but this is just how I do it. So you take this off because you're gonna need the Allen head here in a minute. So just take that off, set that to the side, and this can only go on one way, and like I said, this is only good for the M&P Shield 8-rounders. So how you pop this off, pop the bottom off, slide that off, push in, get that going. Once you get the mag base going, put your Allen wrench through there to capture the spring, because if you don't, that spring will go flying out of there. So you want to capture the spring inside of here, time it just right, so when you push down, you can just slide it over. That spring's still going to be a burden, so okay, I kind of had trouble with this last time, so I went ahead and took out the spring so I wasn't fighting it, and I took it and I dry fitted it just to make sure everything fit right. Then I reinsert the spring, make sure it's back onto the follower right, make sure it's down on the follower, smaller side goes onto the follower, slide that back down into there, and force that spring back down. Push as much down as you can. Throw that Allen head through there to capture some of the spring. You're only fighting a little bit. Slide that down. There we go. Give it a few smacks. And once that's set, go ahead and put that Allen screw back in there. If you want to get some Loctite, that would be a good idea. I don't. Just torque it down. And you're all set. And that's what the finished products will look like. I've shot hundreds of rounds to this blue one already, and no failures whatsoever. Hyve Technologies is our newest channel sponsors, so there will be a link to their website in every one of the descriptions, so go check them out. If you have a Glock or an M&P Shield, they have mag bases for you, so go check them out.